Okay, y'all, I'm giving you a somewhat of a before look of what my bathroom looked like. I forgot to show y'all before I came in here and started, you know, taking stuff apart and taking stuff down and cleaning stuff up. So the floor is messy because I done got started with what I was doing, but you can kind of get an idea, or you can go back and watch one of my videos and my cleanup videos, and you'll see what my bathroom looked like. So this is the shower curtain that I have. Okay. So this is the shower curtain that I have up now, and this is how I have it. Brown and blue. That blue right there. That little wicker bench, table, whatever you want to call it. Excuse the trash. This right here came from the corner shelf that I had. Got paint on my nails. Okay. Then this right here on the wall, and my mirror right here, which I'm gonna be taking this down and repainting it later on. And then the wicker shelf was right here behind the door. Then I got other things here. I had tie backs on each one of those right there, and on this side over here. But what I did was I took them and I painted them. Okay. And then I also had a big shell in there and I painted it. So I'm kind of giving you an idea of what it looks like. I also had a different rug in here on the floor, but that rug is also up because I had already started. So I'm just giving y'all an idea of what it looks like, and then when I'm finished, I'll be back. I also want to point out to you how I had my counter. I had this shell right here and I didn't have the soap here. I was just using it to wash my hands, but this is how I had my sink in the bathroom. Okay, so all right, y'all, so now y'all gonna see the finished look of what it looked like when I get back. And I had a this thing right here too. So y'all, it's gonna be a lot of different when I come back. Okay, you guys, are you ready for the reveal? I am now finished with the bathroom, and this is how it turned out, and I love it. Now, are you ready? Okay. This is how it turned out. I know the rug is a little bit lighter, but I like it. Okay. So, I'm going in, and I'm gonna let you see the color of the curtains and everything from this view. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. I have curtain hooks with little diamonds on them, and this is the color of the curtain, and that's why I said the shower curtain. That's why I said that the light pink rug didn't really bother me because of the color right there. So I kind of went with all different shades of pink. Well, different shades of pink, different shades of purple, you know. So this is how I draped. My bathroom is small, so I gotta kind of come at an angle for y'all. So I draped my curtain. Let me see. I went all the way up as far as I could to the ceiling, and I draped my curtain like this to give it like a little swag look, and I did it on both sides. And then the shells that I had in my bathroom, I painted them a chrome, you know, to bring in the silver. Okay, so let me turn around. And so I hung up some lavender and some plumish kind of like curtains, because in here there's lavender and there's like that plum color. So to bring that out, that's why I put that there. And I didn't want to go with too much pink, y'all. So that's why I did it like that, because I knew that my towel rack, I wanted to add gray. That's a gray towel behind, and then 2 lavender towels, then the pink or coral looking, I guess that's coral, looking color, but you know, I went with that, right, or whatever. And then those, I made those tie backs, which I already had them, but what I did was I spray painted those chrome as well, if you can see. Okay, and I spray painted that shell. I spray painted the stand, cleaned it up real good, and I love it now. And that was my bouquet from my wedding that I saved. I know it's kind of dark in here, y'all. And I painted that shell right there as well. And then coming around this way, I already had that candle. I didn't bother with it. I just left it like it was or whatever. So I spray painted this shell here. And I've already had this up here. And I spray painted the starfish right there. I've already had those two up there. So my rags, they in the washing machine. So I'm going to roll them up and put them back in there once I get a chance to. And then those two, I spray painted those as well. And this is the vase that I hauled for you guys. If you didn't see my haul, then I suggest that you guys go over and watch my haul on the things that I purchased before I did this video. And that is the little floor decoration sticks that I purchased from Burlington. I did a haul on that as well. Okay, so this is the sink and the flowers that's there. Okay, so hold on, let me turn around and get y'all behind the door. Okay, so that is my other towel rack right there. And I did the same thing that I did on the other side. And I put some Epsom salt in that jar. And y'all look, I tried. I know it ain't the best, but I tried. I blinged out these little trays from the Dollar Tree with me some bling wrap, y'all. Can't tell me I ain't did nothing, honey. Look at that. That is so cute. And those small ones. And then I got that one on the bottom. And then this is the shell that used to sit on the back of my toilet. But I put it right here because I feel like it looked better down. Then the little trash can that's there. And the then up here I have those little things I bought from Burlington. I also hauled that, you guys. Never mind my towels hanging up there. But yeah, this is the bathroom. So I'm panning around for y'all to see one more time. Try not to go too fast. Y'all, I really took my time and did this bathroom just like I wanted it. I didn't spray paint my mirror yet, so, and I'm not gonna put myself in the mirror because y'all, I'm tired. I mean, put myself in camera, I meant to say. But yeah, I'm just gonna go and spray paint that again. And I might buy me another toilet brush, I don't know. But that kind of stuff right there really don't bother me. Okay, so coming back out. Yeah, I really like this bathroom. I mean, I am in love. Like, I told my grandma, I was like, it seems like every time I redecorate, I just get better and better and better. But right here, I want to add me, this right here is supposed to be covered up. But I want to add me a starfish right here. You know, like one of those over there. I want to add one of them right here. And, you know, kind of decorate that a little bit right there. But yeah, it's the bathroom. And that's the rugs. So yeah, what y'all think? Y'all leave a comment down below and let me know what y'all think about it. I think it turned out nice, like really, really nice. I did a good job. It took some time, and I did this with, let me see, I did it for up under $160. This whole bathroom. I redid it for that budget. So I think I did a good job. And I'm sorry if it's kind of dark, but yeah. Alrighty, y'all. So I want to thank y'all for watching my video, and I hope this has inspired someone. And until next time, this is your girl Tiana. I can only be me. Peace and love as always. Be blessed and good night.